A new sequence is obtained from the sequence of positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by deleting all the perfect squares. Nice. In the 2022nd term of this new sequence, 2022nd is an awfully large number. We need to find that number. Let's simplify this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say we consider it till 100. New sequence would be 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 till 99. If I go till number 100, I won't even have 100. 100 won't be there in my sequence. Therefore, I'm going to include 101. If I go and take all numbers till 101, till then there are 10 squares sitting there. How many numbers get used? 100 minus 10, 90 numbers get used. 101 is the 91st number. 101 is the 91st number. Square plus 1. I can simplify like that. I'm going to look at this 2022nd term. I need to think about 2022nd term here. Going from here is difficult. I'm going to think about a square plus 1 there. Close to 2022. 2025 is a square. 45 square is 2025. So what I'm going to do? Nice. I'm going to think about 1, 2, 3 up till 2025 and then 2026 number. Of which 1, 4, 9, all of these will disappear. My new sequence will have 2, 3, 5, 2024, 2026. 2026 up to this number, I'll have 2025 minus 45 terms. Why minus 45? 45 square is 2025. So if I subtract this, is 1980 terms. So 2026 is the 1981 term. Nice. 1982 term is 2027. 1983, 1983rd term is 2028. 84th term is 2029 and so on. From here till 2022, I won't get the next square. 46 square is far away. After 45 square, I'm not finding anything else. So 1981, the 198 first term is 2026. So to this, I'm adding 45. 2022 plus 45 is my answer. 2067. 2067 will be my 2022nd term. I know that squares get knocked off. So finding the nth term is difficult. And finding the rank of n square plus 1 is easy. N square plus 1, 45 square plus 1. So 45 square plus 1, I'm looking at 45 square plus 1. I know before this I've kicked out 45 numbers. So 45 square plus 1 will be the 45 square plus 1 minus 45, that term. This number, before that 45 terms would have got kicked out. So that is 1981. I find the closest square to this 2022 such that this number is below 2022. It's a square number. So after this, I don't skip any other number till I go to the 2022nd term. 46 square is very large. 45 square plus 1 will be here. 46 square plus 1 will be another 90 or 91, so far away, not before 2022. So I'm good. 2022nd term will be 206.